Good morning. Today's an exciting day. I'm very proud and pleased to announce the promotion of Brian Spears to president of Bretford. Ever since Brian came here a year ago, he has really proved himself as a strong leader. He really knows how to build a team, and he has taken our sales and marketing group from good to great. He also has a very strong understanding of the financial acumens of the company and a great attention to detail. From a personal level, he is humble, honest, and a good friend. From a business level, he is disciplined, fair, and expects the best out of everybody. He also is tenacious and hates to lose. Personally, I've been with Bretford for 29 years, and I am looking forward to taking a few steps back and working from a higher level with my father. Both my father and I have great expectations for Brian and believe in his abilities. Now is the time, and he is the guy. Congratulations, Brian.
Thank you, Chris. Thank you very much. This opportunity means a tremendous amount to me. I am absolutely humbled by it, and I'm really excited to start working with Bretford and the team in this manner. Over the last year, being at Bretford, I have become very fond of the Petrick family, and Chris and Dave and Ed Petrick. I really appreciate the opportunity, and being the second non-family member to run day-to-day operations for Bretford is not an opportunity that I take lightly. When I came to Bretford originally about a year and a half ago to interview, I knew that I would really enjoy working with Chris. It was one of the main reasons I took the job. But what I didn't know would be how great of a leader he is, and how much he would teach me in a short amount of time. He is a leader that leads with empathy and respect for people, and therefore has created a tremendous culture at Bretford. And as we look forward into the future, you've heard Chris say that he will definitely still be involved in the business. I would have it no other way. My expectation is that Chris will not really change much of what's going on today. He's always been involved in sales. He's always been involved in what I truly think his passion is, which is product development. He's always been a key part of Bretford, and for 29 years, being part of any company, you need a change-up every once in a while. So this opportunity for Chris to do some different things with his dad, and to play a different role in the company, I know he's excited about. We've talked a lot about it, and I'm excited to still have him very much a part of what we're doing on a day-to-day. As far as Bretford, the company, I couldn't be more excited about our future. We've had a great past. The fact that this is over a 70-year-old company with the third generation leading it says something for the longevity and the innovation that Bretford has had since 1948. And as we move forward into the future, no matter what industries we go into, what products we launch, one thing is going to remain consistent. We have the fighting spirit of America in us, and wanting to do the best in everything that we can, and we will continue to do it with the same strength and passion and integrity that the Petricks have always infused in this business. Over the next few months, what you can expect from me is an honest conversation about where we are as a company and where we need to go in the future. I'm very interested in your thoughts, and I'm really excited about the opportunity to work with each and every one of you to make Bretford the absolute best it can be. Once again, Chris, I really appreciate this opportunity. I thank the Petricks as a whole, and I thank all the employees of Bretford who make it happen every day for us. Thank you.